Hey guys, Nathan with the Rag Company, and joining me today is Mr. Gordon McCall. Thanks for joining me,
Anthony.
And we have something new to talk about today that I'm really excited about, and that is P&S Dreammaker. Technically, McCall's Dreammaker.
There it is.
Want to tell me a little bit more about McCall's event, right, and how that all got started, and what we were doing to keep the cars clean for the big event during Monterey Car Week?
Absolutely, Anthony. You know, for 30 years, we've hosted an event at the Monterey Jet Center. It's a kickoff get-together. 3,000 of my closest friends show up to kick off Monterey's infamous Car Week.
Yep.
And during this period of time, we have been supported by the Detail Mafia.
Thank God, right?
Absolutely, they
doing a lot of
save the
work.
day. So they come in and prep. You know, we have anywhere between 50 and 70 cars that are on display with the corporate jets, old World War II planes, you name it.
We've seen it. It's
all
amazing.
together.
Yeah.
It's kind of over the top. And one of the things that came out of it was, what is the best product for prepping a car day of, on the spot, maybe even in the sun? What's going to enhance your already good-looking car that the paint's been prepped well on?
Yep.
And that's where Dreammaker came out.
Exactly.
That's exactly what this product does.
And it kind of came out of necessity because, you know, how this has been working is for the last several years, everybody's been wiping the cars down with Beadmaker, which is a fantastic product. And
Absolutely.
everybody knows what Beadmaker is. I'm sure if you're watching this, you know what Beadmaker is. But it was a combination of a couple different things. Using paint gloss as like a waterless wash, and then going back through with Beadmaker to add some shine and protection. However, most of these cars are already well protected, right? So we're looking for more of the shine without the protection. And that there is a point in which when you're adding too much protection, right, you can basically come into problems where it could streak, or possibly it's not going on properly, or you go to wipe something off and you're getting some smeariness, right? And so we thought, how can we add the shine but without the protection and make it really show car worthy?
Yeah, and I think one of the great byproducts is there is a little protection in here. You know, it's not completely without it. One of the things that, you know, I like a lot of things about this product, not just that it's got my name on it, right?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it goes deeper than that.
Yeah.
I love the fact that this works on glass. It works on untreated alloys, which a lot of Barani wire wheels from the exotic cars of the '60s, they're not treated with clear coat.
I don't even know what that is, but it sounds crazy, so I'm going to trust you on it. Okay.
So glass, chrome, I mean, you know, you can hit everything with it. It wipes on and wipes off, and it's relatively effortless. Again, to your point, the paint needs to be properly prepped prior to it.
Yeah.
But it is just a great go-to, quick thing to enhance that paint job, pop it, get your car to look a little bit better than the one next to it.
Hopefully, right? Hopefully,
Yeah,
that's the goal.
And so, you know, that's where this product was born from.
Yeah, I think so. And so the cool part about Dreammaker is we've been playing with it now for several months. We've been testing it here at the Rag Company. And what we've noticed about it is you are applying an actual product to the surface, right? It's not just something that it seems like snake oil or something. You are applying something, you see it on the surface, you see the flash on, you see the wipe off happening, and basically what you're getting is instantaneous gloss, you're getting a lot of slickness. So basically the surface tension of that paint is now extremely, extremely low. It's a very, very slick surface. And so it's enjoyable to use, smells good, and then it looks great. And so typically with a show car kind of spray like this, it's different than a wax, it's different than a spray sealant. It has polymers that are simply helping reflect more light, helping enhance the depth of that shine. And so it's really cool. It's something that it'll last probably anywhere from, you know, a couple days to maybe a week. There's no real saying on how long it lasts for, but typically by the time that you lose the slickness, you can start to tell that that is going away, right? And you can add more if you'd like to do that. But we've been playing with it, we absolutely love it, and we see the necessity when it comes to a car show, right? Because if you have washed your car and prepped it before going to that car show, you already have a clean car. And some people will put their wax on at their house, some people wait to do their detail spray once they get to the actual show themselves. And if you have a little bit of light dust, hit it with paint gloss and then go back over it with Dreammaker to really enhance the look as much as possible. And we promise you, you will notice the difference. It is a very noticeable feel, touch, look, but we're really, really excited. And so is this only for show cars though, Gordon?
You know, I think that's the key point about this is let's face it, every car today potentially is a show car with all of the park and shines and cars and coffee and you name it. You know, someone's daily driver, their cherished daily driver, could easily be the weekend show car.
There's some good-looking minivans out there,
Yeah,
right?
there are. And so, you know, it works on every painted surface as well as I'd mentioned, some of the non-painted surfaces as well.
Chrome, glass, things like that.
But yeah, there's really no limit to what it can be used on. I've also discovered in this kind of R&D phase, motorcycles.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, great product for motorcycles.
Me and Gordon love motorcycles.
Yeah.
That's what we have in common there, amongst other things. But for motorcycles, it's fantastic, right? Especially on the chrome work, especially on the paint. It's how to get those pipes really shined up. And we find that, you know, there isn't any negative effects to over applying the product. We just make sure that you're using the right towel. So for recommendations, I recommend the Rag Company's FTW towel. So this is a very tight twist loop weave towel, and what you're going to notice about it is it got good bite. Basically, for that initial wipe, it's going to knock down any of that residue, really level it out, and on that towel flip, the slickness of the product really shows with this particular towel. We love our plush towels. We think they're really fancy, but for this product, I recommend the FTW or a very short pile microfiber towel. So again, hopefully your car is clean, because this is not a quick detailer, this is a gloss amplifier. So the FTW, hands down the go-to for this product, but we think a lot of people are going to have fun with it, whether it's used as a drying aid or whether it's used at the day of the show or you're getting prepped for a photo shoot. DreamMaker is literally what dreams are made of, I think.
Absolutely. And how about if you just want to go out on a fun cruise and admire your own car?
Yeah, exactly.
There it is.
Right? You know, people might look at you like, what is that guy doing? You're like, oh, don't mind me. I'm just looking at my own car. It looks different in this scenery than in my garage.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with that, though.
Exactly.
You know?
Well, hey, Gordon, thanks for coming out
Anthony,
and talking
my
about
pleasure.
DreamMaker. So hopefully you've learned a little bit more about P&S DreamMaker, or P&S McCall's DreamMaker show car gloss amplifier. It's a big name, but it packs a lot of punch. So as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company.